Leave insert, term exam 2015 question 5 part C. So given the diagram here, you're asked to find the angles alpha and beta. Okay, now you're told that PQ is 20 centimeters in length, and you're told that QR is 12 centimeters in length. You are also told, so you're asked to locate the tip of the arm of the machine, which is R, and you're told that it lies 24 centimeters to the right of P and 7 centimeters higher than P. So 24 centimeters to the right of P, that would be your 24 centimeters, and the arm then also lies 7 centimeters higher than P, so that's your 7 centimeters there. Okay, now, so to find our angles, I'm going to break it up into 2 triangles. Okay, so here's my 2 triangles. So first thing I'm going to do is, well, first of all, alpha is made up of, if we want to call it, angle X and angle Y. So the first thing I'm going to try and do is find angle Y. Okay, so if I look here, this is a right angle triangle. I'm just going to take out my little right angle triangle here, and that's my 7 centimeters, 24 centimeters, and that's my angle Y. Okay, and this is the opposite, and this is the hypotenuse, so this is the adjacent. So it's opposite and adjacent, so it's going to be tan. So the tan of angle Y is 7 over 24. So Y is equal to the tan inverse of 7 over 24. So Y is equal to 16.26 degrees. That's angle Y. Now to find the other part of angle alpha, which is angle X. So find angle X. Now, if we look at angle X there, okay, so we would need, if we look at our top triangle here, so it's a non-right angle triangle in which angle X lies in, okay, so I would need to find this length here to be able to use the cosine rule, which would enable me to find angle X. So I'm going to use this little triangle again. I'm going to use Pythagoras' theorem to find the length PR. Okay, so first of all, find the length PR. So it would be PR squared. So PR squared equals 7 squared plus 24 squared. So PR squared is equal to 49 plus 576. So PR squared is equal to 625. So PR is the square root of that, which is 25 centimeters. So that is my length PR, which is 25 centimeters using Pythagoras' theorem. Okay, so I'm now just going to put that on the diagram. So this is 25 centimeters. Now I'm going to use this triangle, and I'm going to try and find beta. Okay, so, or sorry, try and find X, which is the other part of alpha. Okay, so it's going to be using cosine rule, so it's going to be 12 squared across from the angle I'm looking for, which is angle X. So angle X is the question mark, so it's going to be 12 squared, which is equal to 20 squared plus 25 squared minus twice 20 by 25 by the cosine of the angle, which I'm looking for is angle X. Why am I looking for it? Because it's part of alpha, and when I add X and Y together, I'll get the full angle. So I have 144 is equal to 400 plus 625 minus 1000 cos of X. And when I bring that together, it's going to be 144 minus, adding 400 and 625 is 1025. So bring that over and take it away. Minus 1000 cos of X. So I'm left with minus 881 is equal to minus 1000 cos of X. So cos of X is minus 881 divided by minus 1000. So cosine of x is equal to 0.881, and when I get the cosine inverse of 0.881, I get x equal to 28.24 degrees. So now I know that my angle alpha is x plus y. So alpha is going to be 28.24 plus degrees plus 16.26 degrees, which gives me an angle of 44 degrees and 30 minutes, which I'm just going to round to approximately 45 degrees is the value of alpha. Now to find beta, okay, so that's this angle found here. So now to find beta up here, I'm just going to use a cosine rule again, okay? So beta, because that's a non-right angle triangle, so it's going to be 25 squared equals the 12 squared plus the 20 squared, and so on, okay? So I'm just going to move it over here. So just do it along here. So this is to find angle beta. So it's going to be 25 squared is equal to 12 squared plus 20 squared minus twice 12 by 20 by the cosine of angle beta. So it's going to be 625 is equal to 144 plus 400 minus 480 cosine of beta. So 625 is equal to 544 minus 480 cos of beta, and 625 minus 544 equals minus 480 cos of beta. So that is going to give me 81 on the left hand side divided by my minus 480 is equal to the cosine of beta. So beta is going to be equal to the cosine inverse of 81 over minus 480. So beta is going to be 99 degrees 47 minutes, and if I round that to the nearest degree, that's going to be 100, approximately 100 degrees. So alpha is approximately 45 degrees and beta is approximately 100 degrees.